Want to upgrade the quality of your YouTube videos and bring your A game as a content creator? Then you're in it for a treat. Hi everyone, Kay here. We'll show you our top YouTube video editor software and tools to use for quality videos that will make your audience stick around. So volume up, eyes here, and keep your mind open. Editing a YouTube video is no easy feat, but with the right set of tools and knowledge, you can probably pull it off. We've worked with our professional video editors here at Vidpros to learn more about these tools, and I'll let you in on some of what they've used for vlogs, gaming, educational content, and a whole lot more. And I'll be a little authentic on this. So let's start with the basics. YouTube Studio's editing tools. YouTube Studio is YouTube's built-in video editor designed for quick and easy edits without needing external software. With just a few clicks, you can trim the beginning or end of your videos, add background music, and include end screens to keep viewers engaged. The platform also provides valuable performance insights, allowing you to track views and engagement directly from the interface. Advantages: completely free and accessible to all YouTube users. Simple and user-friendly, perfect for quick edits. No need to download software or re-upload videos. Includes YouTube's free music library for easy soundtrack additions. Limitations: lacks advanced editing features like multi-layer editing, effects, or color grading. Once edits are saved, they cannot be undone. Some editing features are restricted for videos with over 100,000 views. Other free YouTube video editors. CapCut. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editing app developed by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. It's designed for ease of use, making it a popular choice for mobile and desktop users alike. CapCut offers a range of basic and advanced editing tools, including trimming, transitions, text overlays, and even AI-powered features like automatic captions and background removal. With its built-in effects and templates, creators can quickly produce engaging videos without needing extensive editing knowledge. Advantages: ease of use, beginner-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, cross-platform, available for mobile, iOS and Android, and desktop, Windows and Mac OS. Feature-rich, includes transitions, text effects, filters, and AI-powered tools. Limitations: watermark. Free users may need to manually remove watermarks from certain exports. Limited advanced features. While capable, it doesn't match the depth of professional editors like Premiere Pro. Price: free. OpenShot. OpenShot is a free open-source video editor that provides essential editing tools for beginners and casual users. It's cross-platform, meaning it works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. OpenShot offers basic timeline editing, keyframe animations, and support for multiple video and audio tracks. It's a great option for simple edits like cutting, trimming, and adding transitions. However, it may struggle with performance when handling complex projects. Advantages: beginner-friendly, straightforward interface with drag-and-drop functionality. Cross-platform, works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. No watermarks. Unlike some free editors, OpenShot does not add watermarks to exports. Limitations: performance issues, can lag or crash when working on large projects. Limited advanced features, lacks high-end tools like motion tracking and deep color grading. Price: free. Subscription-based YouTube video editors. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the most widely used professional video editing programs trusted by YouTubers, filmmakers, and media professionals. It offers a comprehensive set of tools including multi-track editing and advanced color correction, and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like After Effects and Photoshop. Premiere Pro is ideal for creators who need precision, flexibility, and high-quality output. Advantages: industry standard tools, offers professional-grade editing, color correction, and effects. Creative Cloud integration, works seamlessly with Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition. Regular updates. New features and improvements are frequently added. Limitations. Expensive. Requires a monthly or annual subscription, making it costly for casual users. Steep learning curve. Beginners may find it overwhelming due to its vast feature set. Price: $20.99 per month through Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is Apple's flagship professional video editing software, offering powerful tools optimized for Mac OS. Known for its smooth performance, magnetic timeline, and intuitive workflow, Final Cut Pro is a favorite among Mac users who want high-quality video editing without the recurring costs of a subscription model. It supports 360-degree video editing, HDR workflows, and advanced color grading. Advantages: optimized for Mac OS. Uses Apple's Metal Engine for fast rendering and smooth performance. One-time purchase. No ongoing subscription fees. Advanced features. Supports 360-degree video, motion graphics, and high-end color correction. Limitations: Mac only. Not available for Windows or Linux users. Learning curve. Some features may take time for beginners to master. Price: $299.99. One-time purchase. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a professional-grade video editing software known for its exceptional color correction and audio post-production capabilities. Used in Hollywood and by content creators alike, Resolve combines video editing, visual effects, motion graphics, and professional-grade audio editing into one software. It's available in both a free version with powerful features and a premium studio version with advanced tools. Advantages: high-quality color grading. Industry-leading tools for professional color correction. All-in-one software. Combines editing, effects, and audio post-production. Free version available. The free version includes most essential features. Limitations: steeper learning curve. The interface and features may be overwhelming for beginners. Hardware intensive. Requires a powerful computer for optimal performance. Price: free. Includes essential editing and color correction tools. DaVinci Resolve Studio, $295, one-time purchase. Includes advanced features like AI tools and 3D editing. Each of these video editors caters to different needs and skill levels, from free beginner-friendly tools like CapCut and OpenShot, like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. If you're just starting out, free tools are a great way to experiment. However, if you're aiming high-quality, professional-looking videos, a paid editor may be worth the investment. At Vidpros, we have professional video editors who continuously bring professionally edited videos for many content creators. If you're curious about whether we edit for your content types, give us a call for a free consultation.